guys. 128, 125, temperature. Papalit tayo ng transmitter mga guys. Yung mga guys. Tanggalin natin to. Palit tayo ng transmitter. Okay. Ayun, kahit nakatanggal, meron pa rin reading. Yan o. So I have here two temperature sensor with transmitter. This is always scanning high temperature, so we need to replace the transmitter. Okay. One negative. Naka-short siya sa 2. Tapos 3 positive. Temperature transmitter. PT100 yung sensor, range 0 to 300. 12 volts. Guys, tanggal na. So guys, 143.4 ohms. Right. 143.6 ohms.
Yang aktual niya?
Resistance.
Temperature niya hindi pa yan.
Hindi pa. Yan mga guys, I have here 22.61 volts DC. So guys, what I found here is there is positive 0.029 volts DC. As you can see here, I have here thermocouple connection between 1 and 2. And 1 and 3 have resistor 2100. So I need to specify correct value type of thermocouple. Type J, type K, or type D. Or A31 na ngayon. So, sige pa sa baba. Taas. 131. And here we try to interchange the two yellow color terminal for my thermocouple. See? I'm going to put this 2 to 1 and 1 to 2. We will see what is the temperature difference. One naging 130.5. I-interchange natin yung dilaw na yellow color thermocouple connection. So dapat ang thermocouple type na gamitin ay akma doon sa temperature range value. Kailangan. Maraming klaseng type ng thermocouple.